Hello everyone, I am Pagcu and I am thrilled to be a part of Sprout Up movement.
Today, I want to share you with my personal story of why I chose to pursue an agricultural-related course and career. For as long as I can remember, I've always been captivated by the wonders of nature. Growing up, I spent a lot of time exploring the outdoors, observing plants, and learning about the vital role they play in our lives. This deep connection with nature sparked my interest in agriculture and inspired me to dive deeper into this field. I realized that agriculture offered a unique opportunity to make a meaningful impact on the world. Agriculture is not just about growing crops, it encompasses sustainable practices, innovative technologies, and the pursuit of food security of all. I wanted to be a part of this movement, contributing to the well-being of communities and the planet. I am grateful for the Sprout Up movement and its mission to inspire and encourage more young people to pursue agriculture. It is my hope that by sharing my story and experiences, I can inspire others to embrace this rewarding field and join us in shaping a sustainable and prosperous future. Together, let's sow the seeds of change and sprout up a new generation of agricultural leaders.